let's go to our man Carlos in Texas. Carlos, what's going on, brother?
How you doing, Tom? How are you?
I'm doing fine. How you doing?
I would say I'm okay for now.
Okay.
Came out from my surgery a few days ago, and I'm recovering.
Wow.
So,
okay.
Yeah,
we're going to send you lots of good white light, lots of prayers.
thank you so much, Tom. And
So,
like I said, it's a journey, not.
yeah. Well, it's good to hear from you. So you've been out of the hospital just a couple of days right now?
Yeah, Thursday.
Thursday.
That was
Okay.
my surgery.
You're
And,
you're a trooper, man. You're a trooper. It's great to hear you, though.
Thank you.
That's heavy,
Thank
man.
you so much. So much. Say hi to Tommy.
I will. I'll make sure. I'm sure he's
I was in
listening
the
right now.
I was able to listen to the program, and it really gives me strength.
That's awesome, man. That's awesome.
Since I've not been able to do too much trading,
Yes.
I've been using Nugget and ETFs.
Okay.
To do my trading, right?
Yep.
And today I'm calling regarding the Nugget, and I want to ask you because I already bought it,
Okay.
and I'm expecting possibly a little bit of pullback if it's the case, but I'm trying to anticipate the move for the seasonal of this year, which is between this month, maybe next month, next month, and go from there. Can you give me your opinion about it?
Yeah, no, I like the move. So the Nugget, folks, okay, is the direction 300% bull position of the New York ARCA Gold Miners Index. So if we go over to the GDX, okay, it's the same. The New York ARCA Index is the same as the GDX, meaning the weighting structure. You know, it's amazing that, you know, gold just keeps going lower, but this GDX keeps rejecting lower price. And this is a beauty today, you know, of a good rejection, you know. The volume is lighter. I don't think we're going to get 8 million shares in at the close. What happens with the GDX is that the GDX does throw some volume in at the close. We're 12.5. I suspect we'll do about 15. And that would be a rejection of the lows of last week. It has a lot lower volume, and it looks like it wants higher price. And, you know, if we go over to, now, one of the largest weighting structures, actually the largest weighting structure is Newmont inside the GDX. And Newmont got smoked last week, and I couldn't really find out why. Well, why? Because they were selling it. That's the bottom line. But Newmont, today, this is a classic test. Newmont, folks, tested the highs of its lows. It went to $36.60. The high of that low is $36.88. We've done 2.5 million shares. The test had 11 million. So you get a clean rejection of lower price, and you got movement. You know, Newmont's only up 24 cents. But when you take a look at where we were at 36.60. Bottom line is that you're up 80 cents off of that low. So if we go back over to the GDX, I think you get action here, Carlos, you know?
Yeah, I like to hear that.
Yeah, no, I think it's a good trade. I mean, what you have here, you have that $23.30 that's sticking out like a sore thumb from April 18th. And then the real question is going to be, as you just said, it's like, okay, is gold going to continue lower? Are we going to get a seasonal deal going? Is there going to be any juice in it? You know, we'll find out. But bottom line is that it's amazing to me that the GDX and the Nugget actually has held up as gold has actually gone this low. So someone's buying it. Do you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, that's something I want to see if I can anticipate a little bit.
No, I think it's a good trade, and I also think I like the whole setup right now, meaning that, you know, the frustration is there with people that are in the market, meaning in the metals market. You know, the bond market, bottom line, is still staying flat. It's not like rates are going up. You know, the dollar did fail last week. Now, that doesn't mean that the dollar is going to... Let me just pull this dollar up for a second. Yeah, we'll see. The dollar's... We had 14,000 contracts today. And you're going into... Yeah, you're going into 28,000. 39... Oh, look, we're right here, too. Yeah, this is good. You know, we'll see how this backs in. We're going right into the low of the high today, and you're going in with dramatically lighter volume. So that is a decent setup also, meaning that you're going into 28,000 with 14. And we're right at the exact number. Well, actually, 26 above it. The exact number would be 94,340, and we're at 94,360. So, and of course, the physical metal market is all about where the dollar is going. I think you get action, Carlos.
Well, thank you so much.
So good to hear from you, man. We're going to keep sending that white light and those prayers.
Thank you. If I don't call that often, I remember, keep you guys in my mind and my heart.
Well, we love you, Carlos, and you're just an amazing person, man.
Thank you so much.
Okay, have a great one. Have a safe one. Say hi to everyone for us, all right?
I will, sure.
Okay, awesome.